Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be delicious. We are making a hashtag Ro recipe. I recently went to Disneyland and Disneyland has a new treat. It combines two amazing things, churros and pineapple. That's right, I went to Disneyland and they had pineapple churros. They are sold in front of the castle at Disneyland and they taste like pineapples. They are delicious. Now, if you don't live in California or you can't make your way to Disneyland, I wanted you to be able to enjoy this recipe. So today I'm gonna teach you how to bake pineapple churros at home. All of the ingredients and recipe will also be in the description down below, so go check it out. All right, now without further ado, let's get started. First up, you want to heat some oil. I have some oil on the stove heating up. You want it to heat to about 350 degrees. So while that is heating up, I'm going to combine the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and whisk them together. Flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk together till well combined. Dry ingredients are ready. They're over here mixed together in this bowl. Now, in a medium-sized saucepan, you're going to combine water, sugar, and coconut oil. Mix together, take it over to the stove, turn it to a medium-high heat, and bring to a boil. Once boiling, take it back to your baking station. I have the hot ingredients of the stove. Now pour it directly into our dry ingredients right away. Oh yeah! Then, before we mix together using an electric mixer, add your pineapple extract. This smells so good, everybody. Oh, I could just drink this. This smells so delicious. All right, pour it in. Then on a low speed, mix together using an electric hand mixer. I'm gonna start on low and work my way up to medium. Mix until it's well combined. This usually takes about a minute. This is what the churro dough should look like. It's all mixed. Now scoop into a piping bag. I have double bagged so that it won't tear when you're piping the churros. And at the end, I have a big star tip. This is a number 825. To scoop the dough, I like to use a cup. So just take your piping bag, place into a cup, boop, like this. So using a spatula, I'm just gonna scoop into the bag, boop. This smells so good, so good, so good. Now you're ready to pipe some churros over on the stove. I'm gonna place this down here. But before we head over there, I'm just going to get our sanding sugar ready. This is just some yellow sanding sugar versus regular sugar. I just think this is a really cool detail because your churros will look more yellow. They'll look like a pineapple. Pour whatever sugar you wanna coat the churro with onto a tray or a plate. I'm just gonna pour a lot too. I do this before I start making the churros so that right when they're done from the stove, you can roll them in the sugar right away. Now take the sugar and the dough over to the stove. The oil should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit over medium heat. Dip your fingers into a little bit of water and flick off the excess. Pipe the dough directly into the oil to create your churro. Then, using your damp fingers, pinch off the end of the dough. Immediately after you pipe your churro, you can use the tongs to shape the churro. If you'd like to make it straighter or into any shape you'd like. Fry the churro on both sides until it's golden brown. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, remove the churro, I'm using some tongs, onto a paper towel and let it sit for 1 minute. Then toss the churro into some golden sanding sugar until it's completely coated. Do this for the rest of your churros. And ta-da! There you have it, fresh homemade pineapple churros, just like the ones at Disneyland. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. You never know what delicious treat I'll be making next. You can find this hashtag Ro recipe in the description down below. These smell so good. My entire kitchen smells like pineapple churros. This is a treat that is simple, delicious, and it's worth the work. It is so good. Now I get to enjoy one. I'm gonna be eating the biggest and ugliest one that I made. This is the first one, so it's a little, it's a little funny, but who cares? Bon appetit! This is so good. Is there sugar on my face? Because I don't care. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.